This is an American project. Thank you for coming by. Please like and subscribe to the video. We're getting closer to that 1,000 mark, and I thank you very much. Well, let's take a look at Fani Willis here to see what she's up to and what's going on. A former friend of Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis directly undercut claims about when her relationship with her top prosecutor started, according to her courtroom testimony on Thursday.
The DA's office, was it, were you fired?
No, I resigned.
You resigned, okay. Can you tell us why you resigned the DA's office?
The number of things that was happening.
A number of things that were happening, is that what you said, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. What was happening that caused you to resign?
It was a spiral of things. So, I guess the last straw is I was put in a department that I knew had no knowledge about. Something happened, and I didn't like it. They didn't like it, and that was it.
Okay. Did you have any falling outs with Miss Willis?
Well, we never spoke after that.
You never spoke after that, okay. And so you're, without going into all the painstaking details, there is no doubt in your mind that from 2019 until 2022, Miss Willis and Mr. Wade were in a romantic relationship.
What's the question?
You have no doubt that their romantic relationship was in effect from 2019 until the last time you spoke with her?
No doubt.
And that's based on your personal observations and speaking with them and seeing them together and things like that.
Yes.
Okay. No other questions. Thank you. The other folks may have some.
Robin Yeartie, the former friend, was called as a witness to testify on allegations that Miss Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade were involved in a romantic and secretive relationship. A revelation that was brought forth in a court motion last month by a co-defendant in former President Donald Trump's racketeering trial. The hearing was held to ascertain whether the Fulton District Attorney should be disqualified from the Trump case. Both Mr. Wade and Miss Willis have said in court papers that their relationship started after he was hired in November 2021 to work on the Trump case. In a court filing earlier this month, the pair acknowledged a personal relationship, but said it had not resulted in any direct or indirect financial benefit to the district attorney. In a sworn statement attached to the filing, Mr. Wade said the relationship began in 2022 after he was hired as special prosecutor, and that he and Miss Willis shared travel expenses and never lived together. To be absolutely clear, the personal relationship between Special Prosecutor Wade and District Attorney Willis has never involved direct or indirect financial benefit to District Attorney Willis, prosecutors wrote in a court filing earlier this month. But Miss Yeartie, who previously worked in the District Attorney's office, testified that she saw the pair hugging and kissing prior to November 2021. She said their relationship appeared to have started sometime in 2019. You have no doubt that their romantic relationship was in effect from 2019 until the last time you spoke with her. Defense lawyer Ashley Merchant, who is representing co-defendant Michael Roman, asked the witness. No doubt, Miss Yeartie replied. A former friend from college, Miss Yeartie, said she stopped speaking with Miss Willis sometime in 2022 after she departed the Fulton County District Attorney's office. Elaborating, she said there was a situation where she was told she would either be fired or resign, which ended her friendship with Miss Willis. Later Thursday, Mr. Wade testified that the relationship with Miss Willis started sometime in 2022. While Miss Willis stated in the court that their relationship did not start in 2019. She added that he never came to my house in 2020 and disputed claims that Mr. Wade lived with her. If proven true, Ms. Yeartie's claims about their relationship starting earlier than they claimed could boost the defense's bid to disqualify Ms. Willis. The judge overseeing the case will make the final determination. A separate court motion filed by Mr. Roman this week also accused Ms. Willis and Mr. Wade of lying about when their relationship started. The romantic relationship between Wade and Willis began prior to Willis being sworn as the district attorney for Fulton County, Georgia in January 2021. The filing said, thus, Bradley can confirm that Willis contracted with Wade after Wade and Willis began a romantic relationship, thus rebutting Wade's claim in his affidavit that they did not start dating until 2022. Mr. Roman, a former Trump campaign staffer and one-time White House aide, alleged in January that Ms. Willis and Mr. Wade had been involved in an improper romantic relationship that began before Mr. Wade was hired, while claiming that he is not qualified to handle the case. The motion added that she paid Mr. Wade large sums for his work and then benefited personally when he paid for vacations for the two of them, creating a conflict of interest. Her office has paid Mr. Wade more than $650,000 for his work on the case, the records show. The former president and other co-defendants have joined his motion. They are asking Judge Scott McAfee to toss the indictment and to block Ms. Willis and Mr. Wade and others from being involved in the racketeering and election case. On Monday, Judge McAfee said the district attorney could be disqualified from the case if there is enough evidence to show, quote, an actual conflict or the appearance of one, adding that Thursday's hearing is designed to see whether a relationship existed, whether that relationship was romantic or non-romantic in nature when it formed, and whether it continues. Aside from the relationship allegations, President Trump's attorneys have argued in court motions that Ms. Willis also made biased and racially charged comments when she appeared to address the controversy days after it surfaced, while she spoke at an Atlanta church. In that speech, she accused her detractors of invoking the race card, which the former president's team says was inappropriate and could jeopardize the case. The awesome power to prosecute ought never to be manipulated for personal or political profit, the Trump motion filed this month, and stated. In addition to the extensive misconduct alleged in Roman's motion, the DA did just that in her speech by wrongfully inserting racial animus into the case to publicly denounce and rebuke the defendants, and to defend her personal and political reputation against the numerous and diverse allegations Roman made in his court filing. And there you have it. Thanks for coming by. This was American Project. Please be sure to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Have a great day. God bless.